Welcome back to the Ragu Goo. Today we're going to be doing a bouillabaisse.
Who on planet Earth even knows what you're talking about?
We're going to be doing a Julia Child's bouillabaisse, of course, with onions, leeks, garlic, fennel, San Marzano tomatoes for the paste. And of course we have parsley, saffron, some star anise and Pernod, and orange peel, of course. And then, of course, white wine, water, and fish. And shellfish, and a medley of fish. And I made French bread. Okay, well, let's at it. And for the bouillabaisse, of course, olive oil, butter, garlic, of course, onions, and then the leeks. And then we put the fennel in, get that all going. And then, of course, thyme, parsley, bay leaves, star anise, and saffron. Throw in the orange peel, the Pernod, flip it around. Now we're going to put in the tomatoes, add the wine, which is basically a bottle of wine, minus a glass for yourself, and then throw in all your fish, the extras, the mussels, and then into the oven, covered for 3 hours, and you want to check it every hour and add water to it to keep it topped off. And for our Rouille, we have red peppers, Poblano peppers, Anaheim peppers. I'm going to be peeling those potatoes up and boiling them, and then mixing them with the garlic and basil and a little stock from our bouillabaisse. And now that all the peppers are all cleaned up with the potatoes all cooled down, we're ready to make our Rouille. We're going to start off by putting the peppers in there, and then we're going to add the garlic, of course, cut up the potatoes, throw those in there, same with the basil, give it a little slice, add some bouillabaisse, mix it up, and voila! Absolutely beautiful Rouille. And for the final preparation for our bouillabaisse, we have cod, trout, and then I got oysters, mussels, scallops, and lobster. And now that you have your beautiful bouillabaisse, you add your cod, your trout, your lobster, oysters, mussels, and scallops, and then cover it while you get your toast on and ready to serve. Look at that beautiful French bread. Anyways, we're going to slice it up. We're going to throw it into the broiler. And then, of course, we're going to check it, flip them over, and get ready to serve. The traditional method is to put your bread in with the Rouille, and then add your fish, trout on the right, halibut on the left, and then dress it up with all the goodies. And at the end, you put in your bouillabaisse, and voila. A little flyby with the trout and oysters, and the halibut and mussels, or the way I like it, on a bed of greens with all the fixins. With, of course, your bread smothered with Rouille and sliced peppers, topped off, of course, with a medley of olives. Whether you're traditional, drinking it with wine, or more provincial, having it the way you like, bouillabaisse is a wonderful treat. Okay, people, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.